Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a interesting video. We have a video of a young person trying to pass counterfeit money. As you see from the title, he's going to be arrested. But also there's some other intricacies here. This happened in Ohio, Salon, Ohio. And he apparently had a minor with him, a person that was 17, and I believe he's 20. So that's a key thing we want to talk about at the end of the video. But with that, let's jump in and see what happens here. I will catch you guys at the end, and we'll go over the law, and we'll talk. Enjoy the video.
Hi, sir.
How you doing?
132.
132.
The other parent out there is the same.
Okay, I'm out here. There's only the one so far, but...
Okay, maybe it was a double.
How you doing?
He gave it to him. My employee gave it to
This
him.
guy here?
Fake bill.
This guy here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I tell you what happened?
Yeah.
So somebody sold me a PS5 and they gave me any cash and I didn't know it was fake.
Radio. Got 2 deals for you.
So you're trying to get rid of it? Is that?
No, I didn't know it was. I didn't really pay attention what it looked like, and somebody's going to pay a PlayStation 5, and I didn't know it was fake. So that's how I got this. I didn't look to see if it was real or not.
What's your name? Did you just report that was somebody?
Okay.
Did you make a report with us that they gave you a? I thought I just saw a report come through like that. Have you? How many of these have you been pawning off?
So the guy, I mean, he sent me. He got me. He brought like $500 worth of this. So I'm about to just.
How much more do you have on you?
Probably, I don't even know where the rest is at.
Well, what do you got in your? You got anything?
There's no cash in here. There's no cash.
You got driver's license on you?
Well, that's probably the rest of it, though. I don't know.
Okay. How'd you get up here today?
My card.
Okay. 92 radio DL.
9-2, go ahead.
You have a good day.
Christian, 20-year-old male, valid. No wants.
Okay. So this guy, when did you sell this guy?
It was on Facebook, my Facebook Market, and when I got, he blocked me on there.
Yeah, what was his name?
I don't really remember. I honestly forgot.
How long ago was that?
Maybe like a week.
A week ago?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm probably going to stop using that app because.
Yeah, everybody gets ripped off on there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I got you.
Using that app 'cause every time this stuff happens, they always send me cash and send me this, and I don't really pay attention. So yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
You don't have more of this in your car or anything like that?
No.
No.
Go ahead.
And you said, so you knew you got that money, what, a week ago?
Yeah.
And you've just been trying to get rid of it?
Okay.
I wasn't paying attention to the motion picture. I didn't even know.
When did you realize that it was fake?
Until he showed me. He got on the show.
You showed, okay. Do you got anything else on you right now?
No, just
nothing.
my keys, my phone. And
Yeah, do me if you take that stuff out of your pocket. Yeah, nothing else. What's all this here?
my keys. That's about it.
Yeah, sit the. I got you. Nothing else.
No. Nope.
Nothing else tucked in any of your pockets. Here?
My shorts and my shirt.
Okay. What do you guys want? I mean, how much are you guys out from them?
Only $20.
Only 20? He only passed one
Yeah.
previously.
Previously,
We got the same bill.
Same
previous.
bill, but you know who's guy?
No, actually, we got the same
Yeah,
bill.
this-
So today I saw it clearly. So I thought like let's
They
stop
were
and
already.
inform.
Yeah.
Has it got the same serial number?
Same.
Yeah.
Look like same.
Yeah. So, like, when you bought something here with it a while ago too?
I don't know. I don't remember.
All right.
It's
So,
my first time using this
well, how do you know?
because about a week ago that's what the cash we gave me, and I started using cash, and that's what he gave me.
So, if it's your first time, you got more of this stuff, right?
That's my first time. Like ever since I started using Facebook Market, that's where I get the deals from and all that, and cash like that. So yeah.
Okay. But when you sold it for how much money? $500 bucks?
Yeah. But just straight 20 to get me.
And then where's the rest of the money at?
I honestly don't know.
125 or 23.
You don't know where the rest of the.
No,
I got it.
probably somewhere I don't know, somewhere at home.
Well, I mean that's
I
kind.
don't really carry that much cash in this. That's about it.
I got you. You don't have anything else in your car that? No. You don't mind if we take a look real quick?
No.
Okay.
It's my friend's in the car though.
Your friend's in the car? Okay.
I was gonna get some gas and go to
I got. Which car is? Which the red one? All right. Here's this motion picture money. He said he got it from somebody he sold stuff to on Facebook Marketplace. So.
Really? I'm gonna put my stuff back in my.
Yeah. Now that's your car out there?
Yeah. I pay the car note.
Okay. All right. Is everything in that car yours then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's my mom's name.
What's that?
It's my mom's.
It's in your mom's name, the car.
Your car, but you're the
Primary driver.
of the car, and you're basically in. All right. Let's go out here. We're going to take a look. All right.
$45 on number.
Is that your buddy hanging out the corner there? Or?
I just put them out the door.
What's that?
I just play with them out the door.
Okay.
I don't know where they just left me, I guess.
Everybody left out of here? Is that what? You can have a seat. You can have to take a step back this way here.
Well, I got it.
the back of yours too.
Come on.
What's that?
Do you got any weapons on you, my man?
No, you can check it.
I'm gonna check it. But look, man, I appreciate you being a little more cooperative and working with us a little bit, unlike your buddy. Spread your feet. What's this? It's your wallet? What's all this? Keys, phone. No weapons on you? Let's have a seat.
Radio 23.
I'm not gonna put you in cuffs. You've been. Well, sit down. I won't even put you in cuffs right now. You've been cool, so just sit tight, okay? So
all this money.
that's real.
Yeah, this
So
is all.
he's got the real money separate, so he doesn't
You
get
got the real money in his one pocket.
so he
This
doesn't
is-
mix the money up.
Yeah.
Okay.
These guys are both. They're both. How old's that guy? Do we know? I got his.
I think you got his stuff, right? I think he said he's 20. He said he was 20, right? Did you run him yet?
Yeah, I ran him.
Okay.
I think he's 20.
Yeah, he's 20 years old.
What you guys got?
They're trying to buy.
Yeah,
What were they trying to buy?
they're going around passing off all this stuff.
Sorry.
What were they trying to buy?
Yes, if he gonna buy food and give it to him.
They tried to buy what?
Give it to him. That guy. Give it to him. Buy some gas.
Oh, trying to buy gas.
Yes.
We saw it in the updates. Yeah.
You were
Probably
right.
the same guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I.
So they're going to have other charges.
Yeah, we're.
It was right here at Giant Eagle.
Yeah.
The other day, somebody sold a laptop to them, or
They bought
money,
a laptop
yes.
with fake money.
Fake money.
Fake money.
Yeah.
So it's probably. Let's go through this car here. Let me.
Which card?
The red one. The red one.
Towing it.
Well, we'll get there. We don't even. We got to figure out what exactly is going on here. But I mean, the one kid was like trying to leave, and then he's like, I don't know him.
You got them both?
Yeah, we got them both.
Oh, good.
But I mean, the other kid was definitely about to dip on out of here.
Oh yeah. You guys are close?
I need you to turn around. Okay? Turn around, put transmitter.
8602.
You are going to be coming back with us, okay? Just put trans together. Like you're praying, okay?
2018 Volkswagen.
You ever been arrested?
To a neutral,
No.
passable 47-year-old female out of Stolen, Hamilton Court, showing a valid ID in an expired CCW.
Okay, here, hold on. Let me double lock him. I don't want him to tighten up on you while we're driving, okay? Alright, sit tight. Scoot in. I'm gonna buckle you in, okay? One is, and then one's a juvenile.
One's a juvenile.
Does he have an afro?
Kind of, yeah.
Gee, these are the kids.
That's what I think.
That's what we're thinking, yeah. Because I mean, they had a big. That kid in there, the juvenile, had a big pocket full of fake money.
Who took that report?
Rios, but we're just talking about it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, I'm just gonna take these guys back.
But yeah, I mean, they had a big pocket full of movie money.
Yeah,
They had a big pocket full of movie money.
Yeah.
It's the same one, like
It says movie on it. Yeah. Motion picture.
yeah.
Does it say on it movie money or like
motion picture purposes.
Yeah, motion picture.
where's it or like
Motion picture purposes.
Yeah, motion picture.
where does it say that? Let me see. Come on, man. Did you?
I mean, you could feel this.
I know.
It says it clear as day on it. I cannot believe they thought this was gonna work.
Oh, I mean,
But I mean, like, if you really look at it though, quick, like, I guess if you don't pay attention.
Pass. This dude gets passed all the
passable
time.
for-
Okay, so how do you guys feel about that video? Did it seem like everything was on the up and up? How about how when the officers finally pointed out that the money was obviously fake because it says for movie purposes only? Okay, let's jump into the law here that applies for counterfeiting money. All right, the law says it's found at section 2913.30 of the Ohio Revised Code. It says in Ohio, the production, possession, or use of counterfeit money is a serious offense governed by section 2913.30 of the Ohio Revised Code, which specifically addresses counterfeiting. All right. Let's look at these key provisions here. It says the definition of obligation or of a security. The term includes any instrument recognized as currency or legal tender. Currency means cash, issued by the United States Treasury, such as bills, coins, bonds, or checks. All right, look at the prohibited actions here. They say it's illegal to falsely make, forge, counterfeit, or alter any obligation or other security in the United States or of the United States. Let's look at also, it says it's illegal to pass. That means to actually try to give it to someone else. To pass, to utter, to sell, purchase, conceal, or transfer any counterfeit obligation. Obligation means money or something like money. All right. Or other security. All right. It's illegal to possess with the intent to utter any counterfeit obligation or other security, knowing it has been counterfeited. So that means here, if you know it's counterfeit money, it's illegal to possess it with the purpose of using it somewhere else, knowing that it's counterfeit. The penalties, you have fourth-degree felony. All right. If the value is less than $5,000 of wherever you're counterfeiting or you're trying to pass off, It's a fourth-degree felony, less than 5,000. That carries a punishment of between 6 and 18 months in prison, a fine of up to 5,000. All right, remember this is Ohio. The rule may be different somewhere else. All right, third-degree felony. If the value is between 5,000 and 100,000, that's a big range. It's punishable by 9 to 36 months in prison, a fine of up to 10,000. Second-degree felony, if it's between 100,000 and 1 million, that's punishable by between 2 and 8 years in prison, a fine of up to 15,000. It's a first-degree felony if it's more than $1 million. It's trying to be passed off as fake money. All right, that's punishable between 3 and 11 years in prison, a fine of up to 20,000. All right, looking at what the charge here is, all right, a $20 bill, maybe a few around town, about $500 worth, if we believe what he says about a PlayStation 5 being sold, all right, on Facebook Market, which is just, obviously, that probably is just a story, okay? The young man says this is his first time being arrested. They ran his information. He had no other warrants out there, so he might be telling the truth. You leave a little bit of belief there that this could be the truth. Remember that everyone who is arrested in the United States is innocent until they are proven guilty. You prove a person guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. That's what the job of the state is. Here, he's looking at just a fourth-degree felony. He doesn't have a criminal past, so he probably will be let off with probation. All right? Probation is usually offered to those who are not career criminals. All right? To be a career criminal, that means you have multiple convictions in your past. All right? So with that, I believe that this young man, this 20-year-old, will get off with probably probation, supervised probation. He'll have to pay a fee and complete the probation term without getting in any trouble, but it's highly possible. The juvenile will have to go in front of a juvenile judge, and he'll probably be given some form of probation also. Remember that when we talk about juvenile justice versus criminal justice, and when you say criminal justice, you're talking about adults. There's a difference in what the goal is. All right, the goal for juveniles is to rehabilitate, all right, and to adjudicate different crimes. With adults, it's to convict and to resuscitate, to keep a person from doing the crime again once they come out of punishment. All right, so they have two different goals there. All right, so with that, this is another episode of Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. If you enjoyed the video, or if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. All right, shout out to the original makers of this video, Crime Piece. I will have them. I'll have credit to them and the original video in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed learning about the law, come back, join the channel. We'll be talking about the law here for a very long time. With that, I am Professor Ross. You all have a good day. This is Advocacy Alchemy.